Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about setting up Python environment. Python is widely used in diverse areas like web development, data analysis, and automation. To begin, setting up a Python environment entails installing Python and configuring a development environment for coding. For instance, in data analysis, a data scientist would need to set up Python along with libraries like NumPy and Pandas to manipulate and analyze data efficiently. Similarly, a web developer will require a Python environment with frameworks like Django or Flask to develop web applications seamlessly. In automation, a system administrator might need Python along with modules such as Paramiko for automating tasks like server management. Therefore, establishing a Python environment is crucial for individuals working in these fields to leverage the capabilities of the language for their specific requirements. To install Python, begin by downloading the official Python installer from the Python website. Next, run the installer and adhere to the installation prompts provided. Once the installation is completed, confirm the Python installation by launching a command prompt and entering the command Python version. This will display the installed Python version, certifying the successful installation process. For instance, if you have Python 3.8 installed, the command output will indicate the installed version as Python 3.80. When working with Python code, it is essential to select a suitable text editor or integrated development environment (IDE) for coding purposes, include PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter Notebook. To enhance your Python projects, you can install required packages or libraries using the package manager pip. For instance, if you need to install the NumPy library, you can do so by running the command pip install numpy in your terminal or command prompt. By utilizing these tools effectively, you can streamline your development process and ensure that your Python projects are well equipped with the necessary resources for successful execution. When running a Python script, you need to open a command prompt or terminal and then navigate to the directory where the script is located. Once in the correct directory, you can utilize the command python-scriptname.py to execute the Python script. For instance, if you have a script named hello.py, you would run it by typing python hello.py in the command prompt or terminal. Virtual environments in Python are crucial for segregating projects and their requirements. To establish a new virtual environment, employ the command python-mvenv invscore name. For instance, python-mv mynv generates a virtual environment named mynv. Before commencing work on a project, activate the virtual environment. On the Windows platform, execute mynvip scripts activate. Setting up a Python environment is like preparing a workspace before starting a project. Just like gathering all the necessary tools and materials, installing Python and any necessary packages is essential for running Python programs smoothly. Without a well-organized workspace, it would be difficult to work efficiently, just like without a properly set-up Python environment. Coding can become cumbersome and error-prone. A clean and organized workspace makes it easier to focus on the task at hand. Similarly, a well-set-up Python environment allows developers to focus on writing quality code without worrying about compatibility issues or missing dependencies. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights. The provided Python code exemplifies the process of setting up a Python environment to ensure a conducive development environment. This narrative walks through the steps involved in arranging the environment for Python programming. 1. Installation of Python. The first step involves installing Python, the core programming language. This is crucial as it serves as the foundation for all Python projects. The code snippet provides guidance on downloading Python from the official website and executing the installation process. 2. Installation of necessary packages. The subsequent step focuses on installing essential packages utilizing pip, Python's package manager. The code highlights the process of acquiring packages from PyPI by demonstrating the installation of the pandas package as an example. For instance, executing pip install pandas enables users to add the pandas library to their environment. The analogy presented in the code likens setting up a Python environment to preparing a workspace before commencing a project. A clean and structured workspace allows for better concentration and productivity. The code also emphasizes the importance of a well-organized Python environment to facilitate efficient coding without distractions. Furthermore, the code contains a function, example function, which showcases how having a properly configured Python environment simplifies coding tasks. By importing the pandas package within this function, users can focus on their code logic without concerns about dependencies. Ultimately, the code concludes by indicating the successful setup of the Python environment, reassuring programmers that they are now equipped to embark on their coding endeavors. This narrative underscores the significance of establishing a robust Python environment for streamlined development processes and enhanced productivity. Setting up a Python environment is crucial not just for individual projects, but also in industrial settings. One example is in data science, where teams working on machine learning models rely heavily on a standardized Python environment to ensure consistent results and smooth collaboration. Another application is in web development, where companies use Docker containers to create reproducible Python environments that can be easily shared across different developers and deployment environments. This ensures that the exact same dependencies and configurations are used, reducing the chances of compatibility issues and speeding up the development process. Across the globe, industries are leveraging the importance of setting up Python environments to streamline their workflows and enhance productivity. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.